morning students. Last class we have discussed preparation of alcohols from alkenes. So, preparation of alcohols we can do by indirect process and direct process. Indirect process, first we pass H2SO4, then we will boil with water. In direct process we have discussed mechanism, addition of water to alkenes, mechanism all details given, examples also we have done. Then we have discussed oxymercuration, demercuration, then hydroboration, oxidation we have discussed. Okay. In this class we will discuss preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. Preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. So, when you pass air through Grignard reagent, then on hydrolysis alcohols are formed. First method of preparing alcohols. For example, RMGX plus half O2 in presence of tetrahydrofuran. This acts as solvent. THF means tetrahydrofuran. This is tetrahydrofuran. It will give ROMGX. Then upon hydrolysis, RO minus Mg plus. So, H plus OH minus. So, it will give ROH plus MgOHX. Main product this one. Next, for example, MgBr given plus half O2 in presence of THF. So, what will happen in presence of THF? First oxygen inserted between carbon and magnesium. So, this will give CH3, CH3O MgBr. Then when you do hydrolysis in presence of acid, same like here, H plus OH minus. Here R alkyl group is, I have taken this. Like that you can change different types of alkyl groups. So, this will give CH3, CH3 OH plus MgOH Br. Next, one more reaction actually comes in phenol preparation. Here itself I am covering because similar to this reaction. Suppose if I take when you pass air through phenyl magnesium bromide, that is called phenyl magnesium bromide, in presence of THF, it will give then when you pass H2O, H plus OH minus, phenol comes. This is method of preparation of phenol. This is one way to prepare alcohols and phenols from Grignard reagent. Another method, is from aldehydes and ketones. For example, plus RMGX. RMGX means I am taking R plus CH3 group. Any group you can take. CH3 MgBr in presence of ether, dry ether. He will give like this. Or sometimes he will give Et2O. Et2O means what? O, Et, this side also Et. Et means what? Ethyl group. Ethyl group means C2H5O, C2H5. So in exam on arrow, he will represent Et2O or dry ether. Before we have discussed THF, tetrahydrofuran, that is also cyclic ether. Any type of ether we can take over arrow during preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. Now CH3 minus Mg plus. Here C double bond O is polar in nature. Actually oxygen being more electronegative, we can write this minus plus because this pi electron move towards oxygen. Then carbon become electrophilic. Electrophilic means what? Electron deficient, love to attract electrons. So here CH3 magnesium metal, tendency to lose electrons. So it will acquire positive charge. Here CH3 acquire negative charge. Here C double bond O polarize like this, plus minus. So I already so many times told you, minus through negative charge it will attack here, minus plus forms bond. So what will happen? CH3 C CH3, here O minus, sorry this side H there, this side H there. Now here Mg plus there, minus plus bond, OMg Br. Okay. Next step, H2O H plus. What happens? Here magnesium being metal, actually this is O minus plus. Oxygen more alternative, so it will acquire that bond towards itself, Mg plus. So here H plus, OH minus. So final product what? CH3 CH H OH plus Mg OH Br. Means what can we write this? CH3, this one what? CH2 group OH. Ethyl alcohol we have prepared from Grignard reagent. In place of CH3, if you keep C2H5, what happens? CH3 plus C2H5 you should write. So here C2H5 CH2OH, propyl alcohol or propanol comes. Like that, based on different alkyl groups you are keeping here, product changes. Okay. Next example. Acetone, sorry, acetaldehyde take first. Acetaldehyde reaction with the Grignard reagent. Suppose if I take CH3 CH2 MgBr. Last example I have taken CH3, now I am changing. Now magnesium carbon bond. So this one plus minus, here plus minus. This nucleophile will attack carbon bearing positive charge. So what happens? Here Et2O, in presence of ether reaction takes place. CH3 C CH2 CH3, through this negative charge it formed bond OMg Br, here H. Now H2O H plus. H plus means what? Acid, any one acid to catalyze the reaction fastly. So here O minus Mg plus, so here H plus OH minus. So what happens? CH3 C OH, CH2 CH3 H. Side product already last time also we have written Mg OH Br. So properly how can you write that? CH3 CH2 CH CH3 OH. What is this compound name? 1, 2, 3, 4 butane 2-ol. or we can also call sec butyl alcohol. Already nomenclature over na, again I am repeating for your memory purpose. So, sec butyl alcohol. Next, same like this if you keep if you solve through acetone plus CH3 MgBr you take. In presence of, here you can take Cl also, RMgX, generally Br, Cl, iodine are used. So, Et2O, CH3 minus plus, here plus minus. So, this will attack here, this will attack here. So, what happens? So, CH3, C, CH3, OMgBr, CH3. Now, on hydrolysis gives CH3, COH, CH3, CH3. What is this? Tet butyl alcohol. This is what? Tet butyl alcohol, common name. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propane 2-ol, 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Next, preparation of alcohols from using Grignard reagent. Preparation of alcohols by using Grignard reagent and ester. For example, CH3, C double bond O, O, CH2, CH3. One of the examples of ester. It reacts with Grignard reagent, CH3 MgBr, in presence of dry ether. So, what happens? Minus, plus, here you can write plus, minus, it will attack here, this will attack here. So, it will give CH3, C, CH3, O minus, MgBr plus, here O, CH2, CH3. This I can write as OC2H5, OCH2, CH3, 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 O minus, MgBr plus. Now, this negative charge moves here, this group goes out as living group. Already we have discussed what is living group. Living group, nucleophilicity, all these things we have discussed during 11th class. This removed as a living group from this since it is looking 4 bonds, then a tetrahedral intermediate like. So, negative charge moves back here. During that time, this is bulky na ethyl group, larger group. So, what happens? This will fall down. Fall down means it is burdened to that tetrahedral intermediate. So, we remove, finally we get CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus this MgBr, Mg bearing plus, that will be added, CH3, CH2, O, MgBr. This minus plus formed as a bond. So, this will form. Again, CH3 MgBr reaction happens. Already we have discussed, you can go back and see video. Already we have discussed this acetone, addition of Grignard reagent. So, first step we will add Grignard reagent, second step we will do hydrolysis. We will do hydrolysis. What will form? CH3, C the CH3 group added here, this bond moves O minus OMgBr, hydrolysis OMgBr becomes OH. So OH, newly one CH3 group from here introduced. So tertiary alcohol forms. Why I am writing as tertiary alcohol? Carbon attached to 3 carbons to it, OH group attached, that's why tertiary alcohol. Name what? Tert-butyl alcohol. Already previous we have discussed. So in exam question will be given like this. Here what happens when any one ester he will give reacts with 2 moles of Grignard reagent. When 2 moles of Grignard reagent used, finally alcohol comes. Or he will give in exam excess Grignard reagent. 1 mole used means reaction stopped here. Okay. So reaction finally ester finally gives alcohols. In place of CH3 you can write H here. Whatever group present here, it will be removed. Attached to oxygen, whatever alkyl group there, that will go as living group. Okay, he will change. Here he will keep H or C2H5 or phenyl group, whatever he likes. Some alkyl group or phenyl group like that he will keep and he will frame questions. Previous entrance examination question is diethyl carbonate. This is what? Diethyl carbonate, or he will ask you ethyl ester. He will name this as diethyl carbonate, or he will also ask ethyl ester question. Ethyl ester he will write. Why I am writing diethyl carbonate? Carbonate ion formula what? Carbonate ion is CO3 2 minus. Carbonate I can write like this, CO3 2 minus I can write like this. He had added this side one C2H5, this side one C2H5. CH2 CH3 means C2H5. That's why diethyl carbonate, and common name is ethyl ester also will call. Generally he is not calling diethyl ester, he is calling it ethyl ester in exam. So Grignard reagent addition, final product he will ask. Now when we add Grignard reagent, same mechanism, you can pass and check yourself also. So what happens? See, first here plus minus, so the CH3 minus attack form bond. First I am writing a molecule O CH2 CH3, this side also O CH2 CH3, here CH3 comes, here O MgBr. CH3 added here, MgBr went there. Next what happens? Minus plus. So this moves here, this group goes outside. Then what happens? CH3, this CH3, CH2, O, MgBr we have removed. So now what is formed? CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3 formed. Okay, O, CH2, CH3 formed. Now here he will write excess. In exam he will give excess. Again add CH3 MgBr. Again when you add CH3 MgBr, what happens? Plus minus. So that compound I can write CO CH2 CH3 CH3 this group. Then the CH3 here, the CH3 attacked here, then O MgBr. Same like that, here also O minus moves, this goes outside. So what happens? CH3 minus CH3 CH2 O, this part O MgBr exits out. Now this will form, what is there? CH3 C double bond O CH3, CH3 C double bond O CH3. Okay. Now Grignard reagent, CH3 MgBr again added, hydrolysis happens. This part already we have discussed, that's why directly writing. So what is formed? CH3 C CH3, this part already there, newly the CH3 added here, here OMgBr comes, hydrolysis finally gives alcohol, tetrabutyl alcohol formed. This question previous year question, entrance examination, some IIT or NEET somewhere it is asked. Next, actually this point comes in alcohols properties. Here itself Grignard reagent I am doing, that is why here itself I am doing that point also. Suppose ROH there, alcohol reacts with Grignard reagent, suppose CH3 MgBr, it will give in presence of ether minus plus. This hydrogen we call acidic hydrogen. Why? Oxygen ROH, oxygen being more electronegative, hydrogen, this bonded pair of electrons between O and H, it will drag towards itself. When it drags electrons towards itself, what happens? Hydrogen will fall down as H plus. That is why proton donor we call acid. That hydrogen solution coming as H plus, that is why we call that acidic hydrogen. Okay. So this acidic hydrogen, so tendency of formation of H plus more chances. Here CH3 minus there, what happens? This will attract this minus plus bond forms. So CH4 plus ROMgBr forms. So alcohols, question is what happens when alcohols react with Grignard reagent? Alkanes forms. I think this I have discussed during preparation of alkanes during 11th class. If not discussed, you can note down here. Actually this organic is reactions are common between chapters. So after finishing chapter, you can check similar, after finishing total organic, you can check similarities between all chapters and link. Okay. Then he will ask conversions, so you should practice. Now, so he will give question. Suppose CH3 CH2OH plus CH3 CH2 MgBr. What is product? Tell me what is product? Minus plus plus minus. This will give CH3 CH3. Ethane gas liberated. CH3 CH2 O MgBr comes. Sometimes he will give question. What happens when methanol reacts with phenyl magnesium bromide? Here ether. Here also ether. I am not again and again writing, you now so many reactions written, you can understand. Ether should be there. So phenyl magnesium bromide, this given. Here phenyl magnesium bromide means carbon there. Magnesium carbon, magnesium metal, carbon non metal. So metal have tendency to lose electrons, C plus minus, means minus forms, or this I can write C6H5 MgBr, Mg plus minus. So C6H5 minus H plus, what happens? C6H5 minus H plus forms C6H6, or minus, then C6H5 minus this also H plus forms bond, or we can write directly. In exam he don't show that one, he will show this one. Finally any representation, finally which is formed? Benzene is formed plus CH3OMgBr forms. Okay. Next reaction. Next reaction is phenol. Actually this also comes in phenol topic properties. Now itself I am writing because all are Grignard related reactions, so I am covering here itself. Plus CH3MgBr. What happens? Minus plus, minus plus. So that will give methane gas liberated, then OMgBr comes. Okay. Phenyl oxy magnesium bromide comes, phenoxy magnesium bromide. So methane, main product this one, methane gas released. When you use ethyl magnesium bromide, ethane gas released. You can write different varieties of compounds by changing alkyl group here. In this way you can produce alkanes from alcohols and phenols by using Grignard reagent. Okay. Next, these all questions given in weekend tests. So properly practice, solve your practice book after listening this class. Preparation of alcohols topic related all questions you solve. Next, preparation of alcohols from amines. For example, CH3, CH2, NH2 in presence of NaNO2, HCl gives CH3, CH2, OH. N2 gas is released plus water forms. Easy way to remember this reaction is, actually this generate HNO2. This reaction takes place at 0 degree Celsius. We call in situ. Preparation of nitrous acid occur during the course of reaction, that we will use term in situ. Meaning what? At the time of reaction only HNO2 generated from this NaNO2 and dilute HCl. So what happens? NaNO2 plus HCl gives H plus Cl minus. NaCl removed, Na plus NO2 minus. HNO2 forms plus NaCl forms. HNO2 we can represent HONO. So if you take this compound CH3, CH2, NH2, HONO, remove water molecule, remove nitrogen gas, alcohol forms CH3, CH2OH plus N2 plus water forms. This is easy way to prepare alcohol from this NaNO2 HCl or HNO2. Actually this reaction proceeds through alkyl diazonium chloride. That mechanism, all that things comes in organic compounds containing nitrogen chapter. Now just I am telling you here, giving you hint related to this compound. Actually in mechanism what happens is CH3 CH2 NH2, when you add NaNO2 HCl, CH3 CH2 N2 plus Cl minus forms ethyl diazonium chloride. Actually aniline, last year alkali halides also we have studied. Aniline on reaction with NaNO2 HCl, what happens? Benzene diazonium chloride comes. Benzene diazonium chloride is stable compared to ethyl diazonium chloride. So here ethyl diazonium chloride unstable immediately gives carbocation. It will be giving a CH3 CH2 plus N2 gas released, Cl minus removed. That compound not exist for long time like benzene diazonium chloride. So it immediately gives carbocation. Formation of this diazonium chloride is covered in organic compounds containing nitrogen. Right now you remember, when you add NaNO2 HCl to ethanamine gives ethyl diazonium chloride, it is unstable, gives carbocation, ethyl carbocation. Now this ethyl carbocation in solution, already I told you alcohol forms in solution, OH minus there, in solution Cl minus there, ONO there, already I have shown you HONO. Actually through mechanism reaction occurs. What are the possibilities I am writing? CH3 CH2 plus OH gives CH3 CH2 OH. This is major product. In solution chloride ion also there, it may combine with this carbocation, CH3 CH2 Cl forms. In HNO2 ONO part there, that will combine with this CH3 CH2 ONO forms, or the CH3 CH2 plus undergo elimination by loss of proton gives CH2 double bond CH2. These all are minor products. This is major product. Okay, here N2 gas is liberated. Okay, first reaction this. So in this reaction, which points you need to remember? Amine converts into alcohol. Where is alcohol? Alcohol. During the formation of alcohol, side products formed. Since there is a formation of carbocation, carbocation have a special character of undergoing rearrangement. There is a possibility of undergoing rearrangement and forms rearranged product. Next reaction I will show that. For example, CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2, propane 1 amine we call. In exam he will give NaNO2 HCl, or he will give HNO2. So what is the product? He will ask product. So how to write product? CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2 in presence of NaNO2 HCl forms CH3 CH2 CH2 N2 plus Cl minus. Already I told you this is not exist long time, very short span of time exist, immediately breaks into carbocation. This carbocation you can see how many hyperconjugation there? carbon having positive charge, next carbon alpha, that how many hydrogen there, alpha hydrogen 2, that's why 2 hyperconjugation, 2 alpha hydrogen, 2 hyperconjugation. If hydride shift happens, same compound, hydride shift happens, one more carbocation generates. So what happens? Carbocation, here how many hyperconjugation? 6 alpha hydrogen, so 6 hyperconjugation. Here OH minus added, CH3 CH OH CH3 comes. So what is product here? Generally students will write CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. Wrong. Why it is wrong? Reaction not stopped here. This product how it comes? If you write OH minus here, CH3 CH2 CH2 OH comes. But this is less stable. It immediately converts to most stable carbocation, that form. So answer what? CH3 CH CH3 OH. Answer is this. We can write this one as a this compound. So this compound what? Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay, this is important question. Next method of preparation. Preparation of alcohols from hydrolysis of esters. Hydrolysis of esters you can do by alkaline hydrolysis or acidic hydrolysis. First I will discuss alkaline hydrolysis. Alkaline means what? Using base. For example, CH3C double bond O, OR. Suppose if I write O18. Why I am writing O18? Oxygen, there are two isotopes, O16, O18. Two isotopes. In order to identify whether breaking takes place whether here or here, I am using O18. Cleavage taking place whether bond between oxygen and alkyl group or oxygen and carbon, identification purpose, I am using O18. So that is scientists will do experiments like that by using isotopes. Now when you add NaOH, product is CH3 C double bond OH ONA plus RO18H. This is the compound produced. Mechanism of this reaction is CH3 C double bond O18Na plus NaOH. First you should write NaOH gives Na plus OH minus. OH minus attacks here. What happens? CH3 C bond moves there, or last time I have shown you na, plus minus, negative charge positive charge bond, like that also you can represent. O minus here OH, this side ONA18. Oh sorry, OR. here are there na, are, here are there, ester na, I have started with the reaction this final product, that's why I have made mistake. Actually this is final product, that itself I have started, you should not do like that. Okay, I have started with this. Now here just before Grignard reagent also you have learnt na, when this negative charge moves, this moved this RO minus moved as go out as a leaving group. So RO minus go out as a leaving group. So what happens, tell me? CH3 C double bond O OH, this OH that side I have written, plus R O18 minus formed. Okay, next. Now CH3 C double bond O OH plus R O18 minus, actually that is alkoxide ion. Here already in alcohols also we have discussed na, oxygen there, oxygen more alternative, so it will drag electrons, this H is more prone to go outside as H plus. So this take this H, CH3 C double bond O minus forms plus R O18 H forms, means alcohol formed. Then the CH3 COO minus, here Na plus there na, starting we have broken NaOH into Na plus and OH minus, plus Na plus gives CH3 COO Na formed, CH3 COO Na formed. So what is happening here? Cleavage taking place between carbon and oxygen bond. By using O18 we have identified like that. Why? Because final product, observe, there is no O18. O18 went to alcohol. Okay, like this. ROH means what? Here R means you can keep either methyl group, ethyl group, any group you can keep. Here in place of CH3 you can write a phenyl group also. Okay, like that reaction takes place. Suppose in exam if we give C double bond O O18R in presence of NaOH, what will you do? NaOH, ONaH should break like that. Without mechanism I am showing. C double bond O ONA plus R O18H have broken like this. Okay, in mechanism happens this thing. Next, acidic hydrolysis. Acidic hydrolysis means esters. Suppose alkyl group, if I take that ethyl acetate, that ethyl ethanoate, UPAC name, H2O H plus. In presence of acid I am doing hydrolysis. OH minus comes here, H plus goes there, finally it gives CH3 C double bond O OH. Here also I can write O18 to show that there is a cleavage between carbon and oxygen. So CH3 COOH plus CH3 CH2 O18H. This is an example of acidic hydrolysis. Next, copy it. Next, preparation of alcohols by reduction. So we can prepare alcohols from different types of functional groups like aldehydes, ketones, esters, carboxylic acids, anhydrate. By using all these, we can prepare alcohols. In our syllabus, 11th class hydrocarbons there. In hydrocarbons, you have studied alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, then alkyl halides, then this chapter alcohol chapter, phenol ethers, carboxylic acids, aldehydes, ketones, organic compounds containing nitrogen. From these chapters only some functional groups we will take, we will prepare alcohols. Already alkyl halides to alcohols already we have discussed na? Okay. Next, like that different functional groups I can use. Alkenes also I have covered na? Alkanes also I have shown you one reaction na? Okay. Then I have prepared from alkenes, alkanes, alkyl halides. Then I am using different variety of functional groups. How one functional group changing into another functional group you should observe. Now, first I will prepare from aldehydes, and generally reduction means what? Redox reaction chapter you have studied. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or gain of electrons. Here we will use addition of hydrogen or C double bond O H there, or you can keep any alkyl group. How will you add hydrogen? Mechanism no need to learn, neat level, just reduction, changing one functional group to another functional group only there. So, I am not explaining mechanism, general method to convert one functional group to another functional group I am showing you, you can follow that. So, C double bond over there, you are adding hydrogens, hydrogen source, different reagents I can take. First learn how one functional group changes into another functional group. Now, different here one hydrogen add, here one hydrogen add, remove this double bond. What happens? This will convert into R. How it will convert to CH to OH, R CH to OH. OH group attached to one carbon, primary alcohol. So, aldehydes convert into primary alcohols like that. Suppose in place of R, if I write CH3, C double bond O CH3. Now, reduction, more than one hydrogen I am adding. Here one hydrogen add, here one hydrogen add, what happens? Remove the double bond, CH3, CH, OH, CH3. This is secondary alcohol. Ketones give secondary alcohol, aldehyde give primary alcohol, key point. Next, acid. So, when you add hydrogen, what happens? Here one hydrogen, here one, remove that bond. So, what happens? CH3, CH2, OH, OH plus water. So, carboxylic acid convert into alcohol, carboxylic acid converted into alcohol, CH3, CH2, OH, like that. Ester if you take, like that if you take ester, R I can write or some alkyl group I can write. On reduction, what happens? H, remove double bond, keep one H, here one H. So, it will give CH3, CH2, OH plus CH3, CH2, OH, like that. Suppose here if you keep in place of ethyl group, if you keep only methyl group, methanol comes based on groups present here. Next, anhydrides, acid chloride, acid chloride when you add reduction, when it undergoes reduction, what happens? Here one H, remove double bond, wait 1 minute, here 1 H, here 1 H, remove double bond, keep 1 H. So what happened? CH3 CH2OH plus HCl. Actually this is not accurate method. Accurate method is mechanisms there that not your level. If you are interested to observe mechanism, I have already shared in WhatsApp group Organic Chemistry Tutor. In that mechanisms given, you can watch them. If any doubt there, you can ask. Just general method to remember reduction I am showing you. Now, so CH3 CH2OH, anhydride, reduction. What happens? Break here, keep here 1 H, remove bond H. Break here, keep here H, remove bond, keep here H. This removed as a water molecule. Here it is removed as HCl. This is simplest way to remember changing one functional group to another functional group. So whatever there, write down. This side what is there? CH3 CH2OH. This side also CH3 CH2OH there na? CH3 CH2OH. In this way different functional groups you can, till now how many functional groups you have converted? Aldehyde, ketone, acid, ester, acid chloride, anhydride. 6 functional groups conversions I have shown you, simple way. Okay. Now which reagents will give this H? By using which reagent selectively we can reduce functional group, that things I will show you. Now suppose aldehyde, if you take aldehyde in presence of H2 nickel or palladium or platinum or metal acid or sodium ethanol or lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. Lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. Step 1, step 2. So any one you use out of these 5. Here metal acid means zinc HCl, zinc H2SO4, FeHCl, FeH2SO4, tin HCl. Here hydrogen there na. By using this hydrogen, reduction happens. Mechanisms we no need to discuss here. Just you learn H2 nickel. Here hydrogen source there. Metal acid, hydrogen source there. By mechanism actually reduction happens. Then Na ethanol, hydrogen source there. This follow electron transfer mechanism actually. Lithium aluminum hydride, here H there. Through this hydride ion reduction takes place. Then by subsequent hydrolysis. Sodium borohydride, BH4 minus gives BH3 plus H minus, that H minus will attack here, H2O H plus, 1 H plus will go there. Okay, in this way, just you remember all these are sources of hydrogen. So by any this reagent you can reduce RCHO, any this, any one of that provide hydrogen, convert RCHO into RCH2OH, primary alcohol. Next, Next, ketones plus any one of the before 5 reagents. Any one of the before 5 reagents means what? H2, nickel or palladium or platinum, metal, acid or sodium, ethanol or lithium aluminum hydride or NaBH4. Here also we can use. How it will be converted? Already I have shown starting. If you have doubt, go back and see and come here. All these produce hydrogen, so it will convert into RCHOH or secondary alcohol. Why secondary alcohol? Carbon attached to 2 carbons from alkyl groups, so secondary alcohol. Next, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids, only lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride, out of these 5, only lithium aluminum hydride I can use. Remaining cannot reduce carboxylic acid to alcohols. That things you need to by heart. So RCH2OH forms. Remaining H2 nickel, then metal, acid, sodium, ethanol, sodium borohydride. No reduction. Sodium borohydride actually weak reducing agent, LaAlH4 strong reducing agent, it can reduce carboxylic acid to alcohols. Okay, remaining cannot reduce this to that. Next, next one is ester, RC double bond O R. So here H2 nickel palladium platinum or LiAlH4, these both can reduce ester. Sodium ethyl alcohol, metal acid, sodium borohydride. These two you should not use, only that 3 you can use. So what you will form? RCH2OH plus ROH. Already I have discussed how to do. H, here one H, remove double bond, keep here one H, RCH2OH. Next, RC double bond O Cl. This can be reduced by H2 nickel, LiAlH4, NaBH4. That step also there. In exam, sometimes he don't give this part also. NaBH4, sodium ethanol, then metal acid cannot reduce. Metal acid means what? Zinc HCl, zinc H2SO4, that things. Metal acid cannot reduce. Zinc acetic acid also comes under metal acid. There I have not written. You can add zinc acetic acid also you can use. So these 4 reagents you can use for supplying hydrogen. So how it is converted? RCH2OH. Break here H, here add one H, remove bond H, RCH2OH. Next, next one is anhydrides, RC double bond O, C double bond O, R. Also reduce it to alcohols. How? H, break this H, either sides, opposite sides, here remove bond H. Like that, H, here one H, remove bond H. 2 RCH2OH plus water. Suppose R dash there, you can write R dash CH2OH, means different alkyl groups there. So here reducing agents you can use are LiAlH4, you can use H2 nickel, you can use sodium borohydride, cannot employ. Then metal acid, you cannot employ. Sodium alcohol also you cannot employ. So that 2 reducing agents you can use. These are 5 reducing agents generally comes in your exams during alcohol preparation. So LiAlH4 is strong reducing agent, it can reduce almost all functional groups where there is polarity. Later I will do one video in all chapters reduction, that time I will discuss. Now I am restricting to alcohols only. Sodium borohydride, weak reducing agent, it cannot reduce all functional groups, it can reduce only aldehydes, ketones, acid chloride, etc. It cannot reduce carboxylic acid and its derivatives like esters, anhydrides, all that. Next. Next method of preparation is preparation of alcohols is indirect process, industrial method of preparation. Industrial methods of preparation of alcohols. First one, hydration of alkenes, already we have discussed. Hydration of alkenes already we have discussed. Second one, oxo process. Oxo process means suppose alkenes on reaction with water gas in presence of dicobalt octacarbonyl. This is called dicobalt octacarbonyl. This is also written as, this year you are going to study complex compounds, in that it will come. High pressure, high temperature conditions will give this, you can write CHOH. Mechanism not there in our syllabus, you can remember like that. So H add here, CHO add here, it will give CH3, CH2, CHO. On reduction, just now we have discussed what happens. Aldehyde group converted into alcoholic group. So CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Up to here over, alcohol here, preparation of alcohol. Here aldehyde forms and reduction gives alcohol. Next, oxo process, weekend exams last year this question given. Plus carbon monoxide plus hydrogen in presence of dicobalt octacarbonyl, high pressure, high temperature. Here also CHO group, hydrogen. Now the CHO group, 2 isomers forms. CHO group added here and also here. So what are products? CH3, CH, CHO, CH3, CH2 plus H, CH3, for the CH, the CHO group added, plus CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO, straight chain compound. On reduction both will give alcohols. You can try how CHO becomes CH2OH, here CHO becomes CH2OH on reduction. Finally alcohols comes. Okay. Next, third method is from carbohydrates. From carbohydrates, industrially alcohols prepared by carbohydrates. How in sugarcane industries, after crushing of sugar, sugar is separated out from solution, sugar solution. After sugar crystal separated, for example, if you observe here, suppose if you take conical flask, the solution, these are sugar crystals. Sugar crystals. If you do filtration, what happens? Filtration, if you do, what happens? Here solution comes. Here sugar crystals you can separate. Solution present in this flask is called mother liquor. Mother liquor, that are sugar crystals separated. Though you have separated sugar crystals from sugar solution, still mother liquor have 50% sugar. Still mother liquor have 50% sugar. This is called molasses, wastage in sugarcane industry. After separating crystals, that solution is called molasses. That molasses solution have 50% sugar. Actually, fermentation means breaking of complex organic compounds into simple organic compounds using enzymes. Okay? Here we will use yeast enzyme. Yeast cannot work. Actually, it have optimum conditions. Enzymes work only at optimum conditions. Yeast cannot work at this concentration. 50% sugar concentration, you should not add directly yeast. So, what you should do is dilute it. Dilution means with water. Dilution with water gives 10% sugar solution. 10% sugar solution comes. So, to this 10% sugar solution, molasses diluted to 10% sugar solution, add yeast. Add yeast, keep 2-3 days. So, yeast source of enzymes invertase, gymase. This will give, when you keep 2-3 days without air, anaerobic oxidation should take place. That all your terms comes in biology. Fermentation without air you should do. It will give C2H5OH. Like this, produced alcohol contains 8 to 10% ethyl alcohol. 8 to 10% means what? Out of 100 ml, 8 to 10 ml alcohol will be there, remaining water there, like that. Next, now that C2H5OH take, this is 8 to 10%, do fractional distillation. Fractional distillation means what? You are increasing purity, means you are removing water, percentage of alcohol increasing. Fractional distillation if you do, this 8 to 10% ethyl alcohol is called wash. If you do fractional distillation, by loss of water, 95.6% alcohol comes, ethyl alcohol. This is called rectified spirit. Rectified spirit. This on distillation with, in presence of quicklime, CaO is called quicklime, and sodium or calcium, or you can use benzene distillation. Alcohol, ethyl alcohol 99.8, 99.8, almost 100% alcohol comes. This is called absolute alcohol. Absolute alcohol. So stepwise I am showing molasses diluted with water, then 10% sugar solution, adding yeast, ethyl alcohol, again continuation there. Actual reactions taking place here are C12H22O11, sugar. If I take sucrose, sugar contains sucrose, molasses source. When you add yeast contains invertase. So reaction taking place is plus water. You have diluted sugar with water, na? So it gives C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6 glucose plus fructose. Biomolecule chapter, all these reactions will come at the end of the organic chemistry. Don't worry, that time we will discuss more deeply. Glucose. In presence of Zymes enzyme, these enzymes asked conversions, that is why I am giving you, gives 2CO2 plus ethyl alcohol. These are reactions involved in fermentation of sugars in the absence of air. Next. From starch. Starch means you study in biology, potato, yam, all these source of starch. So how will we prepare alcohols from starch? General formula of starch is C6H10O5N. If you take 2 moles NH2O to the starch, add malt. Malt produce enzyme diastase. In presence of diastase, it will convert into starch converted into maltose. This maltose, add water. Actually these all reactions taking place in aqueous solution only. In presence of maltase enzyme, it gives glucose. So maltase enzyme converts this maltose into glucose. C12H22O11 glucose. When you add yeast, yeast produces maltase, Zymes. So it will give Zymes, gives 2CO2 plus ethyl alcohol. In this way you can prepare alcohol from carbohydrates, from sugar and starch. Actually in these conditions, careful conditions is there should not be no air. If air present, what happens is alcohol formed is converted into acid. In this way it is not useful. Alcohol not present, it oxidized, it becomes toxic. That liquid becomes toxic. If you consume, it is injurious to health. In this way we can prepare alcohol. Next. Next point is some alcohols, their percentages in exam questions asking, you note down them. denatured alcohol or methylated spirit. Denatured alcohol or methylated spirit. This is 95% alcohol plus methanol plus copper sulfate. It gives color. It gives copper sulfate gives color to the this alcoholic solution, plus pyridine. We will add pyridine like that. So generally alcohol, human beings consume alcohol more rapidly. In order to avoid consumption of alcohol by human beings, alcohol is made to poison with methanol, copper sulfate, pyridine, so that they cannot consume, because methanol toxic in nature. If you consume, it causes death. Pyridine, cancer causing agent. Very little drops of pyridine also added. It create foul smell to alcohol bottles. In industries like this, they will add to 95% alcohol that compound is called denatured alcohol or methylated spirit. Next, power alcohol. Power alcohol means 20% ethanol plus 50% gasoline, means petrol, 50% gasoline, we call power alcohol. These two generally immiscible to each other. In order to make them miscible to each other, we add benzene or ether or tetrahydronaphthalene. In this way we can prepare power alcohol. Nowadays world is in crisis of petrol. Instead of using direct petrol, we can mix gasoline with some alcohol we can use, because molasses in throughout India, sugarcane our farmers will grow much. Molasses so much is produced in industries as wastage. From molasses we can produce alcohol, we can mix with gasoline, we can use that as power alcohol for running automobiles. Next, destructive distillation of wood. You remember, just you note down, destructive distillation of wood gives methanol. Next method is methanol industrially prepared. This question asked in entrance exams. Methanol industrially prepared from water gas by this reaction. High temperature, high pressure gives CH3OH. This reaction asked in exams. Destructive distillation of wood also gives methanol. Okay. Next, these are the methods of preparation of alcohols. Okay.